final assignment for this week. If v square equals to u square plus 2as, make u and s the subjects of the formula. If s equals to the square root of r cubed over k, make r the subject of the formula. So we're going to start with v square equals to u square plus 2as. Then for u, we're going to first make u the subject of the formula. We're going to begin by rearranging. U square has to be on the left hand side of the equation. Move to this side. V square has to transfer to the other side. So this will end up like this, minus u square is equals to 2as minus v square. But minus u is not alone. It has an exponential value of 2 and a negative sign. It has an exponential value of 2 and also a negative sign. Okay. First, let's remove the negative sign by multiplying both sides by minus. So after multiplication, we're going to have u square is equals to minus 2as plus v square. Oops. Minus 2as plus v square. But I can still rearrange this to look like this. I can rearrange it to look like this. U square is equals to v square minus 2as. So next, we are going to take the square root of both sides because u is not alone. Okay, we have removed the minus, and then now we remove the square. The opposite of square is square root, so we'll take the square root of both sides. To remove the exponential too, we have to take the square root of both sides. So this will now become u square equals to v square. Okay, let me put it here. U square equals to v square minus 2as. Take the square root of both sides and this. So this is the same thing as u is equals to v minus square root of 2as. The square root of u square is u. The square root of v square is v. The square root of 2as is 2as, because the square root of 2as has to be unknown, because a and s are not discrete values in addition to being unlike terms. Now let's look at how to make s the subject of the formula. So now putting 2as on one side of the equation, we are going to have put 2s on one side of the equation. We're going to have a minus 2as is equals to u square minus v square. Now s is together with 2a. Both 2 and a are connected to s by a multiplication operation. So I'm going to remove 2 and a, minus 2a, by dividing both sides by minus 2a, because the opposite of multiplication is division. So this will turn out to be minus 2as equals to, initially we have u square minus v square. So this will be over minus 2a over minus 2a. This goes out, this goes out. We are left with s is equals to u square minus v square all over minus 2a. S equals to the square root of r cubed over k. Make r the subject of the formula. So rearranging, we are going to have the square root of r cubed all over k is equals to s. Notice how we transfer all the expressions inside the square root bracket, including the k. You don't only transfer r cubed if it is inside a square root bracket. You have to transfer it along with the other expressions inside the square root bracket. In this case, 1 over k. So r is not alone. R is not alone. First, it has an exponential value, and then it is inside a square root bracket. Secondly, finally, it is a dividend in the fraction r cubed over k. So there are three relationships here: square root, division, and exponential. Let's start by removing the square root. The opposite of square root is a square, so we square both sides. R cubed over k is equals to s. So we're going to square this, and we're going to square this as well. At the end of which we end up with r cubed over k, which is equals to s square. So we are done with square root. Next, we remove division. We remove the divisor k by cross multiplying. We are done with this. So next, we are going to remove the divisor, and the opposite of division is multiplication. So we cross multiply. r cube over k is equals to s square. This then translates to r cube is the same thing as k multiplied by s square. The divisor has been removed. The divisor k has been removed. So we have removed the square root. We have also removed the divisor. Next we remove the exponential value. R to the power 3 is known as r cubed. The opposite of a cube is cube root. So we take the cube root of both sides. R cube is equals to s square multiplied by k. So we're going to take the cube root of both sides. A cube root is represented by a square root bracket with a number 3 attached to it. After taking the cube root, we will have r is equals to get this out. So we will be left with r equals to k s square cube root. R is equals to the cube root of k s square.